In today's video, we're talking about how to make money with print-on-demand books by focusing on word searches. This is a really fun thing, and I'm just going to do an over-the-shoulder training with you. This is something that I've done with my kids. They will help me come up with ideas for word searches, and then they end up going through them themselves. I actually have one here. Let me pull it out. Oh! With one of our coloring books. Okay, let me see if I can find it. This is one that we have done, and it is a program that is actually automated, so you can just plug stuff in. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we have been making money from home. I'm wearing my gray sweats, I'll have to show you. Making money at home, online, with print-on-demand books on Amazon KDP by focusing on word searches. Now, you can do journals, planners, and notebooks. That's where we started. You can do coloring pages. This book actually, let me show you another page. We have done both. The thing with low content and coloring books is you can mix and match stuff, right? Oh, you can see my cute son. He loves this. And I never would have known that if I hadn't have published. So now all of my coloring books include blank pages in between the drawings, so he can get on with his bad self, right, with his coloring. He's 7, so I'm really trying to keep that going. So I'm going to actually show you the tutorial. I'm going to just share my screen so you can see the power of making money on Amazon KDP, okay? And the reason why I'm talking about my kids is because they've made $600, and I want other people to have this experience with their family where their kids can make money, because back in the day you needed someone else's permission to publish, and those days are dead. Say goodbye to the old self. It's buried. The new self is like, we don't have to ask for permission. We have access to so much technology that allows us to do it. So in the next part of this video, you can speed it up if you want, because it is over the shoulder. I will talk, I will blab to explain the process that I'm doing. I'm also going to use ChatGPT for this to speed it up. So essentially this is a ChatGPT using AI for word searches to make word search books to make money on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. If you're new here, my name is Jenny Henson Lane. I've published over 503 books. I am at $97,000 in royalties, and I love teaching this as a digital marketer. This passive income stream comes from books that we started making 2 years ago, and we still make money from them. Now, to manage your own expectations, you will need to learn this, and that's why I'm here to teach you. I have over 690 YouTube videos, so you don't get lost, and you learn from my mistakes, right? Like how many times I messed up, how many books I haven't published. Like, I've published 500, but there's probably like 80 that like are dust in the wind. So I just want you to know that with hard work or smart working, you can also have results as long as you don't give up. All right, let's go. All right, let's dive in. I am on app.instapuzzlegenerator.com. I did have to buy this. I think it was like $47, but it has been so worth it. I'll put a link in the chat for you, but let's just actually access this and dive in. I want to show you exactly how fun and easy this is, and we're going to create something new, and here we go. Let's think about Thanksgiving, because it's coming up, and let's do a Thanksgiving word search activity book, okay? We're going to do a lot, but let's just focus on the word search section, okay? We're going to hit view, and we're going to upload words, okay? The next thing that we're going to do is open ChatGPT, and we are going to do different types of prompts, okay? So we're going to ask ChatGPT, tell me, or let's say, list the top words for the holiday Thanksgiving. Top 10. And the reason why I'm doing top 10, you guys, is because I want to make multiple coloring pages. or multiple word searches. Okay, here we go. Now I forgot one cool thing. Can you generate this as a CSV file? Okay, the reason we want this is because that's what we have to upload to Puzzle Generator. If you pay for ChatGPT, this is included. I've done this free. It is taking a second now because, so if this is taking too long, I might have to do it myself, but usually you can copy it and put it in. While that's generating, let's go over to Google Sheets and let's open a new Google Sheet. And we can even, since it's taking a little bit of time, we can just copy, okay, and we can paste it here, okay, and we're going to take this out and we're going to save this as, we're going to download it as a CSV file to our computer. And then once that is done, we'll go back to Instant Puzzle and we're going to select, it requires a text file or a CSV. So we are uploading that now, Puzzle 1. Now, people that use this use it for different purposes. I'm just going to show you how I do it because I have just found this process. Some people might be like, oh, you're doing it wrong. Well, I just like to go fast. So I'm going to download this. The cool thing about this is it's going to download the actual results too, like the solution. Okay. Then I'm going to open up canva.com and put this in a document. Okay. So after I have opened the folder, it's a zip file. I am just going to plug these in. Watch this. Boom. Okay. So you might be like, oh, that's amazing. And then when I do more puzzles, I simply add another page. Let's go back to this and upload. And then I like to keep my puzzles at the end of the puzzle solutions at the end of my book. So you will see here that I will add pictures and things like that in here and keep going. But let's just do a little bit more. Okay, here it was. Okay, let's see. Okay, can you do another 10 words related? I got to spell right. My dyslexia. Related to Thanksgiving. Whew, you guys are here. It's almost like we're live. Okay, Thanksgiving. Got to spell it right, girlfriend. Okay, in a CSV file. Okay, I meant to write that, but for the purpose of this, boom. Okay, cornucopia. That's a big one. Okay, then I'm literally putting this back in my spreadsheet because I don't need that anymore. Okay, and then I'm downloading this again. Boom, CSV. Okay. Then I'm going back here. I'm going back to my puzzle generator. I'm uploading new words, okay? I'm doing the CSV file the second time, uploading that spreadsheet. Boom. Hitting download, right? Now I have these, okay? Then I'm going back over to Canva. All right, so I'm back in Canva. I'm taking my Thanksgiving puzzle and I am plugging it in again. And here's one thing you might be like, why does that say puzzle 1 again and puzzle 2? What I will do here is I will actually rename these to like puzzle Thanksgiving or like give it a fun name. And then I simply will just put a white thing over the top. This is where I said some people might be doing it different than me. But as I copy each page, it stays on there. Okay, so I hit Command C. And then I know what I'll do is I'll match this up and put puzzle 1, puzzle 2, puzzle 3, right? Because now we know this is puzzle 2. And I will just keep doing this, you guys. And this is how fast I build out word searches. And it is so fun when you get it in the mail. So don't overlook this opportunity to make money from home with your kids online by learning the skill set of self-publishing. If you want more tutorials like this, let me know in the chat. Please subscribe. We have over 600 videos that you can just go through and do this. So love you guys. Peace out.